This is an emergency action notification. This is not a test. Important news and instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All cable and broadcast systems will transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its programming at the request of the United States government to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to their assigned areas. This is WSTN. We will continue to serve the metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, tune now to a station providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the metropolitan area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. NORAD now has estimated the impact points for some of the missiles. The target areas are Felicity, California; Vantage, Washington; Amarillo, Texas; Dragoon, Arizona; Spring Green, Wisconsin; Ishpeming, Michigan; Weldon Spring, Missouri; Blackfoot, Idaho; Regent, North Dakota; Cocker City, Kansas; High Point, North Carolina; Pigeon Forge, Tennessee; Homestead, Florida; Scottsboro, Alabama; Abita Springs, Louisiana; Eureka Springs, Arkansas; and Ashland, Pennsylvania. The rest of the missiles are taking evasive actions, including 90-degree turns, reversing course, and one missile that is breakdancing over the Marshall Islands. Right now it is doing a spinneroni. Officials are still unsure at this time as to the payload of the incoming missiles. They could be nuclear warheads, radioactive waste, biological agents, copies of Pluto Nash, or Kim Jong-un's soiled underwear. Citizens are still urged to take shelter with the list provided earlier, but are now also asked to take bleach, disposable gloves, and cleaning materials with them as well. This message will repeat until new information is available.